Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the 5.5 quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven in a stunning dark cyan. This versatile kitchen essential is perfect for serving 6 to 7 people, making it an ideal choice for both family dinners and entertaining guests. Its heavy cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and superior heat retention, so your meals cook perfectly without compromising on flavor. The glossy enamel finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also makes it durable for high-temperature cooking and frequent stir-frying. One of its standout features is the self-circulation water-locking lid, which keeps moisture sealed in, ensuring your dishes remain juicy and flavorful. Whether you're marinating, cooking, or storing food, this Dutch oven is compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, offering unparalleled versatility in your kitchen. So, elevate your cooking experience and make every meal a masterpiece with this exceptional Dutch oven. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.